Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time,
well, it took all of that 24-inch bar to get through there. And that thing just makes it too easy. Hi everybody, welcome back to Shot the Family Firewood. I want to warn you ahead of time, the footage on this one is a little wonky. I had an accident with my phone the other day, and I had some of the footage already downloaded on the computer, and I missed some, but I got a new phone now, and I've got probably about a tank of fuel left for this. United by Sawdust. Echo 7310. So we're gonna try and get a little more footage of this today. We cut up a bunch of oak already. I did my tuning on that and cut that up, and now we got some cherry we're gonna work on until we run out of gas. So if you're not familiar, or if I missed this, this Frontier Fury is owned by Bracken up at Frontier Firewood over in Wyoming. He sent this saw out to get ported by Tim Hill at Summit Work Saws in Arizona, and since then it has traveled around the country. Been in North Carolina, Maine, and New York for sure. And I'll link the other channels that it's been to so you can check out the stops. But this saw has traveled across more states than I have. And the group that Bracken has put together for this, and now there's a second saw going around to some other channels. And the group messaging and stuff that is put together with this saw, or both of the saws, has been a lot of fun. I'm really fortunate to be part of this experience. On top of that, I have never run a ported chainsaw before, and let me tell you, I did not know what I was missing. This thing is awesome. Took a little time to get it tuned just because I'm not really comfortable with that, and it's not mine, so I didn't want to do any damage to it. But the other night I got brave. I tuned it to where it should be, and it cut through some, it's a 24-inch bar on it. I was cutting through some 26-inch oak, and it cut through like butter. I have a 70cc clone saw, and it's not even in the same zip code. If you haven't run one, run a ported saw. Somewhere, anywhere, try it. It makes me want one pretty bad. So I got these 3 logs marked up. We'll cut these. I got a few more, and we're just going to burn through this last tank of gas on this Echo 7310 ported by Tim at Summit Work Saws. apologize. My microphone trouble happened again. But basically, I'm just wrapping up the video here. I can't thank Bracken enough for allowing me to be part of this fun project and to give me the experience. My first time with ported chainsaw is pretty fun. If you haven't run one, find somebody you know, find a ported chainsaw. You will not regret it. It was a joy to run. There's 2 more stops in Wisconsin for this saw, and then after that I might be going to Tennessee or to back to New York. I think there's a couple other people out there that want it. So eventually it'll get back to Bracken and he'll be able to run his own chainsaw, but until then, follow along. And again, very, very fortunate to be part of it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.